Hi guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Without any introduction, I must say you this case is very comfortable. This case is the place of the edge is correct, but the corners must face each other. The algorithm this case is x prime r u prime r prime d with this finger r u r prime d prime r u r prime d r u prime r prime d prime. In face r u prime r prime d r u r prime d prime r u r prime d r u prime r prime d prime. Thank you for watching. If you like it, subscribe me and share video for friends. Hope to see you soon. Goodbye.